and he was like, oh, okay, he's like, so the kid came out or whatever, and they told you? I'm like, yeah, and he was like, all right. Sorry, I had to sneeze. So yeah, I told him everything that happened, whatever, the day before, and...
You saw what happened in 2016. The people spoke, we wanted to change, and at least the people on the right, we wanted to change. I'm gonna sneeze. Frick. That's me. Ugh. Why do I always have to sneeze when I'm doing makeup?
Oh my god! That's a good way to start a stream. Don't even say hi, Nancy. Just come in and just sneeze all over people. I'm so sorry, y'all.
My hair is like half wet in this video, and I figured that would be fine because bathing suits, water. You know.
That was a duck. That was not human.
Let's get into it.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Oh my god.
Bless you. 5 more seconds.
Oh,
yeah,
like that.
Oh, yeah.
And then not that, but it isn't too like. Do you know what I mean? It's too big.
Oh, no.
She's just like.
Bless you.
Oh, keep that in.
No. I'm gonna keep it in, Jodie. I'm gonna keep it.
I don't actually know who buys them and why they buy them.
No.
I'm gonna wet myself.
It looks fierce.
What am I?
I'll do it off camera and edit it out. I did it again.
I'm sorry, I just... Whoa, okay, wait, I'm struggling. Come on!